At the very time that Jeffrey Epstein gets his start in managing the money for high-level arms dealers, or at least being the front end of that money management funnel, Ehud Barak is in charge of the biggest intelligence group in Israel. Now, everyone talks about Mossad. It's like a big meme, but Mossad is not the biggest intelligence vector in Israel. Israel is effectively three intelligence brackets. They have Shin Bet, their version of the FBI, Mossad, their version of the CIA, and Amman, which is their version of the NSA, but it's much more broad than that. It's their military intelligence. And it's 2.5 times the size of Mossad. It is a giant operation. And Ehud Barak, we know that starting in the late 90s, early 2000s, he and Jeffrey Epstein would be very, very, very close. There's an open question, given that Jeffrey Epstein was servicing Adnan Khashoggi, who was working with Amman, Israeli military intelligence, to move the weapons from Iran for the guy that Jeffrey Epstein was managing the money for. Has anybody run the traps? I mean, think about, for example, the CIA station house in Tel Aviv or something. What records do they have from 1983 to 1985 about Ehud Barak and possibly even Jeffrey Epstein?